Logarithms, thinking and application problems. Here in this set of series we have excellent problems and they require, I should say, factoring skills more than anything else. T1. Show that if 36a square minus 169ab plus 144b square equals to 0, then log of 6a minus 12b divided by 5 equals to log of square root a plus log of square root b. Now the strategy for these problems is to make kind of a perfect square, right? And then solve the problem. Because you can see here the square root comes if we have square here and then we square root the right side, right? So that is what we are seeing. Here if you see, it is kind of a perfect square. This is 6a square and this is 12b square. If I make center term as minus 2 times 6a and 12b, then my left side will be a perfect square. And that is a strategy which I am going to adopt to solve this problem. And that is how I recommend you to see such problems. There are many different kinds and I can't post all on this video. So strategy is going to help you to solve any such problem. Okay, so let's go through it. So it is like 36a square minus 169ab plus 144b square equals to 0. So what I was saying was this is like 6a whole square, correct? So I'll write 6a whole square. And this term here is 12b whole square, right? Now if in the center I make a term which is 2 times 12b and 6a, so let me write like this, 2 times 6a and 12b, then I can write this as a minus b whole square, where a will be 6a and b will be 12b. Do you get it? Now if I do my math on the side, that is, what is 2 times 6a 12b, right? And how different it is from 16. So a and b terms are already there for us, but what we need to check is we already have 169. How much is this, right? So this is 2 times 6 is 12, 12 times 12 is 144. So what do we need here? It is 144. So we just need 144 here, right? So we'll take away 144 from 169. So 169 take away 144, right? So that's what we will do here. And then what do we get? We get 5, we get 25. Do you see the math which I've done here? So I can write this as 6a square minus 2, 6a 12b, and then plus, so many more negative, that is negative 25ab. Do you see that? Equals to 0. Do you see? So when I combine this and this, what do I get? What do I get? I get 169. Do you see that? So I split 169 into 2 parts. One making a perfect square here on this side. Do you see the beauty? That is how we're going to solve it. So I can write this trinomial now as 6a minus 12b whole square. Do you see that? And I'll take this minus 25ab on the other side. Okay, so I'll write this as equals to 25ab. Now we are very close to the solution since we see 6a minus 12b here, but we have 5 here. So well, I can divide by 5. 5 square is 25. That makes sense. So I'll do that. So I have 6a minus 12b. Now I can write 25 and next step I will do 5, but I'm doing both in the same step. I can write this as this. So what I'm doing is I'm dividing by 25 on both sides. Do you see that? So I'm left with, when I take 25 inside, 5 square is 25, right? Since 5 square is equals to 25, right? I took 5 inside. Do you see that part? Correct. Now we can take log both sides, correct? We can take log both sides. So, and then get the answer. So let me make it absolutely clear for all simple step. I'll again square root both sides for once, and this 6a minus 12b over 5. This is on my left side, and on the right side I'll square root. So I get square root a times square root b, right? That is square root of a and b, correct? So that is what I get. And now it is evident. The next step is absolutely clear. Just taking log on both sides, correct? So if I take log on both sides, we'll write log here and we'll write log here, right? Log of a dot b. And when you expand it, you get your result. Do you see that? So we get log of 6a minus 12b over 5 equals to log of square root a plus log of square root b. I hope you appreciate this strategy to solve such problems, right? We'll have a couple of them in this set of videos, and by the end of these 3 thinking problems, I think you'll be an expert. And then I'll put some in the test paper, okay? Thanks a lot and enjoy this journey. Thank you.